Welcome back to our channel, Motive Tales. In today's video, we'll be diving deep into the fascinating world of forces acting on aircraft. Whether you are a seasoned pilot or simply curious about how planes stay in the sky, this video will provide you with a comprehensive understanding of the forces that keep these incredible machines soaring through the air. So, let's get started. Before we delve into the forces at play, let's briefly discuss the basics. Aircraft are designed to overcome the force of gravity and achieve lift. To achieve this, multiple forces come into play, and understanding each of them is crucial. The four primary forces that act upon an aircraft are lift, weight, thrust, and drag. Now, let's explore each of these forces in detail. Lift is the force that opposes gravity and allows the aircraft to rise into the sky. It is generated by the wings through a phenomenon known as Bernoulli's principle. The shape of the wings, along with the airflow over and under them, creates a pressure difference that generates lift. The faster the air flows over the wings, the greater the lift generated. Weight is the force of gravity acting on the aircraft. It pulls the aircraft down and is counteracted by lift. The weight of an aircraft includes the aircraft itself, passengers, cargo, and fuel. Proper weight distribution is crucial for maintaining stability during flight. Thrust is the force that propels the aircraft forward. It is generated by engines, whether they are jet engines or propellers. Thrust must overcome drag in order to maintain or increase the aircraft's speed. The greater the thrust, the faster the aircraft can go. Drag is the resistance force that acts opposite to the direction of motion. It is caused by various factors, such as air resistance, the shape of the aircraft, and any protruding components like landing gear or antennas. Reducing drag is crucial for improving fuel efficiency and increasing the aircraft's performance. That wraps up our video on forces acting on aircraft. We hope you found this explanation insightful and that it helps you appreciate the incredible engineering behind these flying machines. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more exciting aviation content.